Hello, my name is Glamar Rada. You can call me Glam or Glamar. I am the founder of Tulay's Kinabuhi Ministry Incorporated. My favorite food is, we call it locally as inununan. It is fish cooked with vinegar and spices. And my favorite place in the Philippines is in Balikasag Island, Bohol. It's located in Panglao, Bohol. I like there because I love ocean, and what is underneath is really beautiful. You know, the corals, the fish. It's really good even for snorkeling. So I love that place. My dream or my goal for Tulay's Kinabuhi is I really wanted to continue the educational program. You know, we have been funded by Japanese stakeholders, and the grant that we receive from Japan really make a difference. It helps a lot of children in our community, and we see as a result of educational program, many people's lives has been changed, because when they finish their study, now they're having a good income because of having good work. So I mean, their job is really great. So yeah, that's what we want to happen, want to continue for Tulay's Kinabuhi. Thank you.